How to make a DIY holiday wreath. What you'll need. Step 1. Attach your pipe cleaners to your wreath frame. We added 8 on the inside of the frame and 8 on the outside. Step 2. Gather the edge of your deco mesh and attach it to your frame using the pipe cleaners. As you attach the deco mesh, start shaping your loops. This ensures full wireframe coverage and maximum volume. Step 3. Trim each of your ribbons to a length of 12 inches. We used 8 pieces of each ribbon. Step 4. Layer 2 ribbon styles onto each other. Cinch the center and attach your ribbons to the frame using the pipe cleaners. Like and follow us at Papermart for more fun DIYs. Shop Christmas packaging and more at papermart.com.